hazardous materials warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Cook County Emergency Management Agency. A hazardous materials warning is in effect for residents in a 5-mile radius of Interstate 290 near South 17th Avenue. This is due to an automobile accident including a vehicle carrying hazardous chemicals. Residents in the warned area are asked to temporarily shelter in place. Please go indoors. Turn off all ventilation systems and cover openings in the wall with tape or damp towels. Further information may be found at www.cookcountyial.gov or through media outlets.